What do you mean you can do a meditation using a whistle? Welcome to the world of Kundalini meditation. Welcome to the world of Kundalini Yoga. Thank you for being here. Salimah, yoga therapist. Here we talk all things spiritual, healing, Kundalini Yoga. So this meditation that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called the Whistle Kriya. And it sounds exactly like what it is. Imagine that. The world of Kundalini yoga and meditation are so vast and there's so many different techniques. I'm delighted to show you this one because number one, it's super simple. Number two, hey, who knew that meditation could involve whistling? And number three, it's based on the sound that you create from your own body. So what better way to get focused and to get clear and to get alert? All right, so this one I find the effect to be very cleansing, very clarifying. You might find it a little bit different, but that's okay. We're all different. So here's what we're going to do. Find a comfortable spot to sit for this meditation. Could be cross-legged on the floor if you like, on the couch, on the chair. I'm going to stay here in the chair just to make it easier for recording. Okay. Take a few breaths. Thank yourself for being here. Come into your body by feeling your feet on the ground, feeling your seat in the chair, feeling your shoulders relaxed and your spine aligned. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale. One more time. This time, sigh it out. Amazing. And as you collect yourself and you collect your thoughts and your ideas, sit with this moment, this experience. Bring your first finger and thumb to touch in Gyan Mudra and place the mudra on your knees, on the chair, however way it feels comfortable, so that your shoulders are relaxed and you feel very contained. We're going to inhale through the nose and exhale as a whistle. We'll do this for 1 minute. Okay, so setting your intention now, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Good. Inhale through the nose. Exhale as a whistle. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. Last one. Awesome. And now we're going to reverse it. We're going to inhale as a whistle, and then exhale through the nose. Remember that if you can't make the sound of a whistle, that's okay. Do your best to inhale through the mouth and exhale through the nose. So even if you don't feel that same or you hear that same whistle sound that I'm making, that's okay. You can follow along and still get the same benefits. We're just changing the way that we inhale. Okay, so now we reverse. We inhale through the mouth and exhale nose. Last one. Good. Now shift up your seated position. So if you're sitting on a chair, just adjust your seated position. If you're sitting cross-legged, cross your legs in the opposite direction. Here's the final part of the meditation, and that is to imagine yourself sitting in a 4-petal lotus. So a 4-petal flower, and imagine that flower, the color is red, and think about a symbol of an elephant. And now we're going to complete with 3 repetitions of the sound la. Okay, so sitting in that red flower, seeing that symbol of an elephant somewhere in the room around you. Let's begin. 3 repetitions of la. 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 Bring your palms together at the center of your chest. Sit with a spine of steel and a heart of gold. Imagine and remember your intentions and set them free into the space around you. Let the universe hear you. Beautiful practice. Fingertips to the forehead to seal the energy of our time together. And I would love to know what image of a flower came to you, or even what was the symbol of the elephant that came to you. Love to hear all those details. Drop a comment below and let us know how your experience was. Lots of love. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and this was the Whistle Kriya. Until next time, lots of love to you.